Okay, today I want to talk about a black hole.
So what is it?
I'm glad you asked, because let's go and see what NASA say what a black hole is. And this is for grades K4, part of NASA knows. I don't know if that's like kindergarten, 4 years of age. So this is what they're teaching to little children. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. So immediately children are taught that nothing comes out of a black hole, which is a lie, because there's a gamma ray burst. Gamma ray bursts are flashes of gamma rays associated with extremely energetic explosions that have been observed in distant galaxies. They are the brightest electromagnetic events known in the universe. Basically, it's a lightning bolt. Bursts can last from 10 milliseconds to several hours. The initial burst is usually followed by a long-lived afterglow emitted by longer wavelengths: X-ray, ultraviolet, optical, infrared, microwave, and radio. And so hearing that gamma rays and X-rays and radio waves are all electromagnetic, what do we see coming out of a black hole in the last couple of months? Well, there was a lightning strike across a black hole, and they measured it and the time it took to take the arc distance, and it travelled the distance in 5 minutes when the speed of light said it should have taken 25 minutes. The scientists noticed this was a bit weird too, and they said this either suggests the gamma rays were travelling faster than the speed of light or something else was going on. And now researchers believe they've gained a rare insight into something that is taking place below the event horizon of the black hole, giving them a glimpse of what may be going on inside. Well, that's enough, because all I wanted to prove was that gamma rays and X-rays and radio waves all come out of black holes, showing that NASA is teaching children absolute rubbish that light and matter don't come out, because X-rays and gamma rays and radio waves are light waves. They are electromagnetism. They are...
So what is it?
The energy that's coming out.
So what is it?
Okay, I'll tell you. A black hole. So what is it? Well, I'm going to use my equation that I made up the other day with the help of the Lord, who showed me exactly what the relationship is between matter, energy and light, and that it is a dependent relationship, and that less of one affects the other two. So we're just going to go through it again. So my equation for the relationship between matter, energy and light: energy is separate from matter. That you need to know straight away. Energy doesn't turn into matter. That's just ridiculous. Energy added to matter creates light by electromagnetic vibrations of the matter by the added energy. The brightness depends on the relationship between energy and matter. More energy, brighter light; less energy, dimmer light; more matter, dimmer light; less matter, brighter light. So that's just how it works with the energy input. So matter plus energy equals light. So what is a black hole doing? Well, we have 3 to choose from, so let's go through them and see which one fits a black hole. Matter plus energy equals light, or electromagnetism. Light minus matter equals energy, or light minus energy equals matter. So electromagnetism minus matter, you're left with energy, and electromagnetism minus energy, you're left with matter. So which equation form is correct? Well, if we look at the evidence, what do we see? Well, black holes give out light and matter in the form of gamma rays, X-rays, and all visible light. And all visible light contains matter. You would have to go back to point 2. Energy added to matter creates light by electromagnetic vibrations of the matter, because energy and matter are separate. So if you add them together, you get light or electromagnetism. So straight off the bat, it can't be dark energy, which is number 2, light minus matter equals energy. That's eliminated because black holes give out light and matter. Equation number 2 is without matter, and you would just have energy, which is invisible until it meets matter. Then the matter vibrates, giving light frequencies. No matter, no light, no electromagnetism. It can't be just matter, so number 3 is eliminated. Black holes give out light and matter. There is no energy, so the matter will not give off an electromagnetic signal. But black holes do give off electromagnetic signals, so it does contain energy. Otherwise it wouldn't be giving off an electromagnetic signal, which happens when the energy goes through the matter. So black holes must be matter plus energy equals light. It gives off X-rays and gamma rays. So it's given off electromagnetism, which is caused by energy running through matter. So why is it black? Well, that can only mean one thing.
So what is it?
Well, it's a relationship between matter and energy and light. More matter than energy, yet matter and energy are separate, so one is changing. Energy is lessening, so the sun goes dark. Black hole, black sun. It means a universal voltage drop, because it is matter and energy, and it should be giving off light. If there was enough energy to make this huge amount of matter give off an electromagnetic signal, a light signal that we could actually visibly see, but we can't see it because it's such a low signal. So even though it's given off a massive signal compared to what this sun used to be like, it has now had a voltage drop and it is now a carbon covered star. Our sun is a hydrocarbon, and so if it's not getting ignited properly, the fuel will not burn, but it will still radiate electromagnetism from inside. And every now and again, energy builds up a bunch of waves, and a Lorentz force effect takes place, and a lightning bolt shoots out. So that's an explanation for black holes. They're not black holes really, they're black suns. So yeah, universal voltage drop occurring, and normally that means the end of the world due to biblical history and everything else. So there you go. Thanks very much. My name's Lee, and I'm a Christian.